James, hello.
Hi Leo, how are you?
Very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm very good, thanks.
Good. James, how's it been through January?
Well, markets got the year off to a fairly gentle start, but in the last week or so, there has been a bit of a wobble. We've seen some more volatility. The VIX index, which measures the implied volatility of the stock market, rose above 30 for the first time since October. The FTSE 100 index ended the month down 0.8%. The S&P 500 index in the US was down 1%, and the Eurostoxx index has lost 1.8%. And I think investors are just a bit worried that the economic recovery from the pandemic might not be as quick as hoped. So we had some new UK jobs data out in the last week or so, and they show that unemployment in the UK has reached 5% for the first time since 2016. On the other hand, inflation in the UK has increased from 0.3% to 0.6%, helped by a Christmas boost. But it's still a long way off from the pre-pandemic levels of around 1.8%, so there is still some way to go yet.
Sure, rocky roads, and then we've had all of this Reddit stuff thrown in the mix.
Yes.
What's been happening as a result of that?
It's sort of the hot topic of the last week or so, and Jake did a really nice article on it, which is on the website, but just to summarise, so GameStop is a US video game retailer which has been struggling financially in the last couple of years. It's made losses of around $1 billion. So because of that, quite a few hedge funds have been shorting this stock, expecting it to continue to do badly. Now, millions of users on the online social media platform Reddit have been targeting this stock, and they've all been buying call options, and this mass purchase has been pushing the share price of GameStop up significantly. So in just a couple of weeks it rose from less than $20 per share to more than $300 per share, so that's around 1,000% increase. And of course this is terrible news for those hedge funds, which have now lost an awful lot of money betting the wrong way.
I know that Courtiers isn't invested in GameStop for a start. Another point Jake's made clear is we don't short in funds. So we're nowhere near any of this issue that's happening. But what we are seeing is that Reddit armies are coming through and causing a frenzy on stock when it was never expected. So that leads me to think about the positions that Courtiers holds and whether these Reddit armies can come in and cause a frenzy against anything that we might be invested in. But you don't short, and you are constantly monitoring investments. So if anything happened like that, you'd be well on top of it, surely.
Exactly, yes. If one of our holdings was to suddenly be targeted, then we would see it more or less immediately. And I will just make the point again that we don't short stocks. Shorting stocks is much riskier than simply buying stocks, simply because your potential losses are unlimited theoretically. So it enforces discipline. We only go long stocks, and yes, so we shouldn't experience any significant impact from what's going on with the Reddit forum at the moment. If anything, if they do happen to target one of our stocks, it's likely to see probably just a short-term boost. We don't yet know how long the impacts of what's happening to GameStop and right now silver are going to last, but it should hopefully become clearer in the coming weeks.
Sure, well, we'll be keeping an eye on that.
Absolutely.
Well, aside of all of that explosion across the media and in the investment world, is there anything else to cover through January, James?
I think we should leave it there for now and see what February brings.
Excellent. On and up.
Absolutely.
Thanks for your time, James. Talk to you soon.
Thanks, Leo.
Take care.